It's the usual Saturday afternoon at natapon ng anak ko yung pinagkainan niya while he's putting it to the sink. Mapapakamot ka na naman talaga ng ulo pero dahil good mood ako today, naisip ko na may learning moment to para sa amin. Of course, instinct as a mom is to clean it for your child. Pero this time, I had enough patience for him to be involved. At yes, sinabi ko talagang may patience ako for today dahil hindi laging ganito. So, pinakuha ko yung version niya ng walis and I let him clean with me. Hay, sa totoo lang, hindi naman talaga siya madali at efficient pag sinasama natin sila. Pero kitang-kita ko na eager naman talaga siyang linisin and help me. Hindi ko rin sigurado kung magsistick ba yung value ng ginagawa namin ngayon. Siguro update ko na lang kayo pag 20 plus na siya. Charing. Pero ang idea ko talaga behind it is until may bandwidth ako as a parent to offer him to learn any life skill, I will try to do it. And kung wala namang bandwidth, okay lang yun dahil meron namang for sure ibang opportunity to do it. O siya, sige, marami na ata ako sinasabi. Kailangan ko pang puliduhin tong nilinis ko dahil hindi naman malinis talaga yung ginawa ng anak ko. Sa susunod na paglilinis ulit.